Unboxing this gaming monitor, 32-inch curved gaming monitor by Dell. Here's how you do it. It says right here how not to do it and how to do it. There's a piece of tape here. You want to cut that first along the edge like that, and then just pull this open like so, and there you go. Now you're at the top. Nice thing here is, here's your power cable. I think this comes with DisplayPort cable and HDMI cables too. So that's cool. You don't have to buy any extra cables. Let's see if this is the base. Ooh. Well, here's the arm. Okay. So it's just like that. So it's got a nice little thumb screw here. This is awesome. It's right there. That's good. Down. Unfold this. There's a button. And see how that's like moving this? Just catch these right there. Okay, so that's gonna go here, right? See, the top slots are gonna go in the top. And these are gonna get caught at the bottom when the button goes in. So we're gonna go like this. Right? Like that. That's it. So if you want to release, press the button, lift up, pull out. But we don't want to release. So remember that. If you're reaching behind your panel, don't press that button. Looks like the cables can run through this hole right here. That's kind of cool. What I really want to see is the curvature. Because I'm used to flat screens. And although, hey, look at that. I like it. Anyway, that's pretty easy to set up. I'm going to go ahead and take it over to the desk and plug it in, see what it looks like.